Welcome to SynteraWeb. Today, I'm going to show you a comprehensive, step-by-step guide on how to create a website that not only looks professional but also converts visitors into loyal customers. This isn't just a tutorial on how to put pages together. It's about creating a powerful online presence that works for your business. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to understand is your website's purpose. Ask yourself, why does your business need a website? Whether you're selling products, generating leads, or simply sharing information about your services, every element of your website should support this primary goal. For instance, if you're running an online store, your site should prioritize a seamless shopping experience, featuring an intuitive product catalog and a straightforward checkout process. On the other hand, if you offer services, then focus on presenting a clear portfolio, compelling testimonials, and easy-to-find contact forms. Once you have a clear purpose, it's time to plan your website's structure. Think of your website like a well-organized store. The layout should guide visitors effortlessly from one section to another. Start with the basics: a homepage that immediately communicates who you are and what you offer, an about page that tells your story, a dedicated page for your products or services, and a contact page so visitors know how to reach you. Keep your navigation simple and intuitive. Use plenty of white space to ensure your content isn't overwhelming and that visitors can focus on your message. Next up is design. The design of your website is the visual representation of your brand. Choose a color palette that reflects your brand identity. Usually 2 or 3 main colors work best. Tools like Adobe Color or Coolors can help you find the perfect combination. Alongside color, your choice of fonts is crucial. Select a clean, sans serif font for your headlines paired with an easy-to-read serif or sans serif font for body text. Remember, consistency is key. Your design elements should create a cohesive look that builds trust with your audience. Now, let's talk about content. Content is truly the heart of your website. Your copy should speak directly to your target audience, addressing their pain points and offering clear solutions. Instead of simply listing your services, explain the benefits they bring. For example, rather than saying, "We provide digital marketing," try, "Increase your online sales with our proven digital marketing strategies that drive real results." Additionally, integrate strong calls to action throughout your site. Phrases like, "Contact us today," or "Get your free consultation now," help guide visitors toward taking the next step. High-quality images and videos are also essential. They not only enhance your site's appearance but also help convey your message more effectively. If you don't have professional photos, free resources like Unsplash or Pexels are great alternatives. Once your content and design are in place, it's time to build your website. With over 60% of internet traffic coming from mobile devices, a responsive design ensures that your site looks great and functions well on smartphones, tablets, and desktops alike. After building your site, focus on performance and functionality. A fast-loading website is critical. If your site takes more than a few seconds to load, you risk losing visitors. Optimize your images, minimize the use of heavy plugins, and consider using a content delivery network, CDN, to speed up load times. It's also important to thoroughly test your website across different browsers and devices. Check for broken links, test your forms, and ensure that all interactive elements work as intended. A smooth, error-free experience not only keeps visitors on your site longer but also builds credibility and trust. Now, let's add the final touches that can really make your website stand out. This includes search engine optimization, SEO, which helps your site rank higher in search results. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally into your content. Optimize your meta tags, and ensure your images have alt text. These steps can drive more organic traffic to your site. Don't forget to integrate social proof. Testimonials, reviews, or case studies can significantly boost your credibility. And finally, consider implementing analytics tools like Google Analytics. These tools provide valuable insights into visitor behavior, helping you refine your strategy over time. As we wrap up this guide, remember that designing a website isn't just about the visual appeal. It's about creating an online experience that works for your business. While many tools and tutorials are available for DIY website creation, sometimes the best choice is to rely on professionals. At SynteraWeb, we specialize in building websites that not only look amazing but are also optimized to convert visitors into customers. Thank you for watching this step-by-step guide on how to create a website that converts. If you have any questions or need further advice, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're ready to take your online presence to the next level, don't hesitate to contact us at SynteraWeb. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more web design tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.